this tutorial you will learn how to fix disk write error in the first Descendant in a quick and easy way.
First, click on Steam. Click on Settings. Click on Downloads. Press Clear Cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log in to Steam again. Do you wish to continue? Press Confirm. Wait for Steam to restart. Now launch your game.
First, open Steam. Right-click the first Descendant. Select Properties. Click on Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for your game files to be verified. Now alone she regained launch your game.